Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to add a hyperlinks to your web document. Okay, and we will learn a lot of things in this video. Let me proceed. Okay. Generally links are found in nearly all websites. In HTML, if we create any links, the HTML links are nothing but the hyperlinks. Okay, the HTML links are nothing but the hyperlinks, and when you click on a link and it jumps you to the another document and it jumps you to the another file, okay, that is nothing but a link. Basically in HTML we use anchor tag to define a hyperlink. Okay, like for example, let me take my output of this video. Okay, this is the page that we have created earlier, and I want to add I want to make this encapsulation as a link which fetches the data of the another website. Okay, I need to make this encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. All these three has to be a links. Basically the point that you need to understand here is the general representation of any link by the default as, for example, when you visit a link, that a visited link is underlined and represented by purple. Okay, purple color. And if you have an unvisited link, that unvisited link is underlined and um, represented by the color blue. Make sure these representations. And if you found any active link, that active link is underlined and red. Okay, okay, these are the general representations that we see how the links will be appeared in our daily scenarios. Let me take any link from the Google itself. Okay, I am taking this link. This is the URL of this web page. I am copying it from here. This is the URL for landing on this encapsulation page. Okay, we are going to our coding environment. Okay, I want to make this encapsulation word as a link which connects to that URL landing page. Okay, for that we need to do what is we need to use anchor element. Anchor element is represented by the a tag. Okay, an anchor element is represented by the a tag. Okay, if you give an a tag and we will give encapsulation. Okay, when you click on this encapsulation, when you open the encapsulation, we need to make this encapsulation as an link that which connects to the another link, another website. We need to add an attribute like href. Okay, this is an href attribute which indicates the link's destination. In this we have to use equals and paste that link here. Okay, we are pasting that copied link here, and this is the general form of designing a link in our website. Okay, we are going to that page now. Okay, if I give a refresh to it, here you can see that it will turn to blue color with an underlined, because which represents that it is a link. If you click on this link, if you place if you place your cursor on this link, it represented as an hand with an and symbol, which makes you to say that it was a link. If you click on this, you will be directly redirected to the page that we have visited earlier. See here, this is the page that we have visited earlier on the Google. It is all about the encapsulation. Okay, we are coming back to it. Okay, I will make changes for inheritance and polymorphism also. Okay, I am copying the link from here for inheritance, going to our folder and making this as href equals to attribute given as link, and we need to make them as a polymorphism. Okay, actually it was an sorry. we need to give as inheritance, and we need to close the anchor tag here. And after giving a quick save, let me check it once. Okay, we are done. And we also need to copy it from here for polymorphism, and I think we don't need this anymore. You can close it. And opening our Visual Studio. From here we are going to I want to make this as capital I, and from here polymorphism is on, and I am opening my anchor element, and in this anchor element I am going to represent polymorphism. I think so the spelling is correct, and I am giving the href attribute here. Okay, after saving, once I am opening it, see here the encapsulated link is already I have visited in my portal, so that it can be represented by using purple color. These inheritance polymorphism links are not visited even at once, so that they are represented by the blue color with an underlined text. So this is the representation of the links. Once if you open an inheritance link, it will be redirected to this page, and when we come back to this, it is also turned into purple color because of the visiting. Okay, when you once visited your link, it will be turned into purple color. And sometimes you need to make your link, open your link in a new tab, right? For that we have another attribute, like if you make that this encapsulation link should open in a new tab, we have to include one attribute like target. Target is an attribute which represents the structure of your link. That means if you if you add self in your target, that means it is an opens the document in the same window. Okay, by default if you are not given any target, it will be activated in the self mode only. But when you given blank, it opens the document in a new window or a new tab. Okay, when you given the target as parent, it opens the document in the parent frame. And when you open the given the target as top, it opens the document in the full body of the window. Just now we want to open the link in the new window or new tab, so that we need to use blank as the target. Okay, but by default it will be targeted to the self. Okay, it will be targeted to the self attribute. And I want to make my every code as the given the target as blank only. Okay, I will leave the polymorphism as the self target, because to make you a big difference. Okay, I am giving a refresh to this page. If now I will open my encapsulation, okay, see here it will be opened in a new tab. This is the basic advantage of the given target as blank underscore blank. Okay, in polymorphism I have not indicated any target. It will be automatically defaulted to the self target, so that it will be opened in the same page as it is. Okay, this is the major differences between the links. Okay, this is the quick overview of hyperlink, and we have a lot to learn in this. If you want to fetch your another HTML document with the existing HTML document, you can use this anchor element. For example, at the end of our at the end of our web page, I need to go move to the another HTML document which is my own. For example, here I need to give a para like next page. I want to go to the next page. I want to make, please wait, I will saving here, and I will see the change. Okay, here it will be showing like next page. The thing I want to do here is when I click on this next page, I want to go to another HTML document that was created by me. For example, I have created another HTML document, next.html. It was a general HTML document. You can also create it by your own. See the output of this is like this. This is another HTML document. I want to link this document in this document by pressing next page. What we have to do is opening the text editor, and okay, within the same folder you have to include your next.html also. Okay, create another HTML document and write some code in it and open our index.html and make sure that you will be able to use anchor element and given href equal. Okay, here you need to give next.html as your reference link. Okay, I'm giving a save and opening my page. See here, it turns to the link. It turns as a link. When I click this link, it will automatically redirect it to the HTML document that I have made earlier. Okay, this is the document that I have made earlier. This is the connection of one HTML document to the another HTML document. If you want this HTML document as to open in the next place, you can give it as target. Target equals to, we can give blank target. Okay, then you can able to open this in your next tab. Okay, this is the linking of one HTML document to another HTML document. And we may also, if you don't want to use any reference, for example, I am opening one href at the end and I'm giving just hash symbol, and I am using go to top of page here. See the magic. I'm giving a save. When I open this folder, I'm giving a refresh to this. Okay, if I press in this go to top of the page, it will directly go to the top, because when you don't need to include any reference link to this anchor element, you can easily give hash symbol which will be moved to your starting page. Okay, which will be moved to your starting page, so we can easily build this HTML document. Okay, I think it was a good move of our learning, and I think it was very nice. If we click encapsulation link, we will be redirected to the next tab, which will give us all details of the encapsulation through online. And if you open inheritance, it will give us all the details of the inheritance in the new tab. If you open the polymorphism, it will be redirected in the same page, because we are not given any target. It will be defaulted by to the self target. And if you go to the next page, it will be linked to the next HTML document that we have done. And if you go to the top of the page, you will be redirected to the top of the page. Okay, this is the general thing. I think we have learned a lot of things till this extent. Please make use of all the lectures and practice parallel to me, and you will get everything what I have done. Okay, thank you.